Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see if we can refinish this table because it's got some pretty bad marks in it, and hopefully it comes out good and hopefully we can figure it out. Okay, so here's the second part of our salvage effort. We got this table. It's a big one. It's 63 inches, which is what we wanted. So the size fits. We actually like the style. The bottom looks really good, things like that. We were told it was in perfect condition, and then we got there and we saw this. That doesn't look like in perfect condition. We're going to give it a shot. I think that this is going to sand down, but I'm really concerned that this is more of a faux finish and that sort of thing, but we're going to give it a shot anyway. The base has got to be sanded too because, again, their dog chewed on the end of it. So, but it was perfect condition until, I guess, the dog chewed on it. So anyways, we're going to give it a shot. I know you're thinking, why'd you even take it then, right? We like a challenge, for one. And for two, it fits the size. And for three, I kind of think we can fix it. So hopefully I'm right, because otherwise we just wasted some money. But we did get 4 chairs cleaned, so we got that. So this is the second part of the salvage effort. So let's give it a shot. We're going to sand it first and hope that we can restain it and make it look like something. It's wood. Okay, so we're done. This is the finished product. So it was really pretty easy. It just takes a little bit of grunt work and things like that. We sanded the table down. We then went and put a conditioner on the table to make sure that the stain could hold to the table really well and it was even. We stained the table and then we put on 2 coats of poly on it to make sure that it had a nice smooth finish and it would last a long time. So that's it. Take a look at this table. It's an easy project. You just got to put some time and effort into it, and you too can have a beautiful table just like this. So that's it. Subscribe to my channel. We'll see you next time. And super thanks is always welcome.